How to remove ads on Android lock screen. Lock screen ads are very annoying and can expose our personal info into random notifications. So if you want to go ahead and disable it, or remove it, we can do it by following up these steps. We can open up our settings for that and we can tap on privacy or security or go to the section for lock screen, tap on it and open it up. And within lock screen, we just need to scroll down, find the section for notifications and turn this option off. So if this option is enabled, we can tap on it in order to turn it off, and you can just go over and turn off the show promotional content, ads on lock screen as well. On some phones, this is called glance, magazine, or lock screen stories. You can just go over and disable it. Apart from that, you can remove ad from app. So within settings itself, you need to go over to the apps option, tap on it, and here see all app, and there you can look out for system ads, etc. So you can just go over and turn it on. So let's turn on this filter option and turn on the show system app and tap on OK, and we can tap on ads. We can search for ads, and if we find that application of ad, glance, lock screen, magazine, etc., we can just go over and look out for notifications for that or permissions, and we can just go over and disable the permissions for those and or install the updates as well, and that should also work out for us. Apart from that, we can just go over and turn off the notification spam as well. So within our settings, we can go to notifications, tap on it, and there we can just go over and turn off the notifications for our lock screen from this section as well. And that's it. Now we have successfully removed the ads from the Android lock screen. Following up this method, these should probably work out for you. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.